The dawn of a digital renaissance. Artificial intelligence has entered the realm of creativity, and its impact is nothing short of revolutionary. With the rise of AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion, anyone with a prompt can generate a painting, sculpture, or even an entire visual experience. These developments beg the question, are we witnessing a new digital renaissance, where machines become co-creators alongside humans? Or are we, perhaps unknowingly, stepping into a world where authenticity and originality are forever blurred? Redefining creativity in the age of machines, traditional art has always been rooted in human emotion, experience, and perspective. AI, however, lacks these attributes. It processes patterns, analyzes data, and generates outputs based on training. So, can something devoid of consciousness create meaningful art? Some argue that art must come from a place of emotion, while others believe that the definition of creativity is evolving in machines, with their endless capabilities, are simply expanding its boundaries. Is AI art truly original? The heart of this debate lies the question of originality. AI art is trained on vast data sets of existing artworks, making it a product of remix rather than creation. Critics argue that this makes AI art derivative, while proponents suggest that all art, even human-made, is influenced by the past. Can originality exist in a world where inspiration is algorithmically generated? The artist's identity crisis, with machines now capable of producing award-winning visuals? Many human artists feel threatened. The sense of identity tied to the creative process is being disrupted. Is the artist merely the one who generates the prompt, or is it the machine that executes the vision? This ambiguity challenges our understanding of authorship and creative intent. Copyright in the age of algorithms, the legal framework surrounding AI-generated art is murky. If an AI model creates a masterpiece, who owns it? The person who typed the prompt? The developers of the AI or the platform hosting the generation? The lack of clear copyright laws has sparked global discussions and legal battles. As the lines blur, artists fear their work might be unknowingly used to train AI without consent. The data dilemma. Consent and use AI models are trained on massive datasets scraped from the internet, often including copyrighted or private works. The ethics of using such data without explicit permission is a hot topic. Artists and creators are now demanding transparency and the right to opt out of these datasets, emphasizing the importance of consent in the digital age. Collaboration or competition, rather than replacing artists. Some envision AI as a collaborative tool, enhancing the creative process instead of overtaking it. When artists use AI as a partner rather than a competitor, new possibilities emerge. Still, the tension remains. Is AI empowering human creativity or slowly making it obsolete? The democratization of art creation AI has lowered the barrier to entry for art creation. Now, individuals with no formal training can create compelling visuals. This democratization has sparked both excitement and concern. While it offers inclusivity and access, it also raises questions about the value of artistic skill and years of dedicated practice. Authenticity and the emotional connection. Art is not just about aesthetics. It's about connection. Viewers resonate with the story behind the art, the struggle, the joy, the human experience. AI lacks this emotional origin. Can AI art evoke the same depth of feeling, or is it destined to be admired only for its technical brilliance? Economic impacts on artists. As AI-generated content floods the internet, professional artists face economic challenges. Commissions, freelance opportunities, and gallery spots may diminish as clients opt for quicker, cheaper AI alternatives. The art market is shifting, and human artists must adapt to survive in this evolving landscape. Cultural sensitivity and AI bias. AI is not free from bias. Trained on human-generated data, it can inadvertently reinforce stereotypes or misrepresent cultures. When creating art that reflects diverse communities, cultural sensitivity is crucial. Who ensures AI respects these boundaries? The lack of oversight in AI training poses ethical risks. The illusion of infinite creativity. While AI can generate thousands of artworks in seconds, quantity doesn't equal quality. There's a growing fear that the internet will become oversaturated with mediocre, soulless content. This flood of digital art could dilute meaningful artistic expression and overwhelm viewers with endless choices. Ethical AI development and regulation. To navigate these challenges, developers and policymakers must work together to create ethical guidelines. Transparent data sourcing, artist compensation, and usage consent are essential pillars. Without regulation, the art world risks descending into chaos, where creators are exploited and originality is devalued. A tool for inclusion and empowerment. On the positive side, AI art offers marginalized voices a chance to be heard. Individuals who previously lacked access to traditional art platforms can now express themselves. AI can amplify diversity and empower new storytellers if used responsibly and ethically. The road ahead: coexistence or conflict. The future of AI and art hinges on our collective choices. Will we embrace machines as creative allies, or wage a battle for artistic dominance? The ethical dilemmas are complex, but dialogue and thoughtful innovation can guide us toward a balanced path. In this new era of art, the question is not whether AI can create, but whether we can coexist with its creations in a fair, respectful, and meaningful way.